1832 and ends in the years 1860s. The second period is going to be called the modernization period, from the years 1860s till the closing of the station in 1937. In 1832, we're going to open a quarantine station here on Grosse because we have epidemics of cholera going around in Europe, precisely in England. Cholera is a very dangerous disease. It causes lots of vomiting, lots of diarrhea. It spreads by used water in the streets. And once you catch the cholera, you can die in the first 4 to 48 hours after being in contact with the disease. So you can imagine that in Canada, we are scared of that disease. Since we are a colony of England, the major part of our immigration comes from there. So we want to protect the population to make sure everyone that passed from Europe to North America is healthy once they arrive in Quebec. But before all of that, before we decide to open a quarantine station, before colonization, you need to know that this island was frequented by the indigenous nations of Canada. The indigenous people living here were using the island for multiple purposes. We could stop on Grosse to do a little break, to take a break once we are traveling inside of the St. Lawrence River. We can come on Grosse to hunt, to gather, or to fish. But we are not staying very long on this island. We stay for a few days, maybe a week, until we go back to the mainland. We found artifacts of that presence here on Grosse, such as pottery, an arrowhead, and also some fires. The indigenous presence on Grosse is dating from 2,700 years ago, and the communities and nations, indigenous nations that could have passed through Grosse were the Iroquois of the St. Lawrence River, the Innu Nation that is located in the northern part of Quebec, or the Wolastoqiyik-Wassipekuk First Nation that is located in Rivière-du-Loup.